Hello everyone, my name is Aidu Muldamigau. This is my video oral exam of Introducing to Linguistic course. So in this video, I will explain with my own words uh, about uh, four parts material that I have choose. So the first part of material that I choose is what is morpheme. So morpheme is the smallest unit of meaning or grammatical function in language. I have two example word in English and in Indonesia. In English, the word is unforgettable. In this word, we have three morpheme. Un is bone morpheme. That means bone morpheme means can stand cannot stand alone without free morphine. Forget is free morphine. That means without bone morphine, free morphine can be stand alone. And the last is able. Able is bone morphine. So from the word we have three morphine: un, forget, and able. In Indonesia, I have the word is kemanusiaan. There is same have three morphine. K is bone morphine. Manusia is free morphine, and N or the end of the word is bone morphine. Parts 2 that I choose the material is borrowing. So borrowing means like taking words from another language and using them in your own language without change the meaning. For example, in English, we usually use zero. Zero is from Arabic, and in Indonesia, golf. Golf is adoption of word without change their spelling and their meaning. That is about word formation in borrowing. Part 3 materials that I choose is syntax. Syntax is the branch of linguistics that study the rules and principles governing the structure of sentence in natural language. So, usually syntax have the structure like non-phrase and VP or verb phrase. I will give one example sentence and explain. The cat runs fast around the park. For the structure syntax, usually like this. This is sentence. Sentence, yes. And after this, usually divide into two parts line. Like the first is noun praise, second is verb praise, and for noun praise that divide again like that. That is usually for the beginning like the, and is noun. So the that is the and is cat. For second lines is VP or verb praise. For praise that divide into two lines again. For first line is verb. So we know the verb. The verb is of course runs because we only have one verb in the sentence. And for second lines, is we still use VP because there are much kind of the structure. Divide into two lines again. This is adverb. The adverb is, of course, we know the adverb is fast. Why fast is the adverb? Because the first for the sentence, the verb is in the beginning and the adjective is after the verb. So that means that is adverb. For a second line from did VP is prepositional phrase. And from this that I divide into two lines. The first line is around because the preposition is only one, that is around, and I divide in P, noun phrase, because in the sentence there are still other parts, so I divide it from the P. I divide into two lines. The first line is that because the that is just one. I write this. The that is the, and for noun phrase, noun, and the noun is noun phrase is park. So the cat runs fast around the park. So that is the rule structure of syntax. Part 4 about mini example. The material I chose or the concept I chose is a word with two free morpheme. In English, the example like my toothbrush is new. Toothbrush is free morpheme, tooth and brush. For Indonesian example, like buku tulis. Buku is free morpheme and tulis same free morpheme. That means free morphemes means like there can stand alone. And for another example like blackboard. Black is free morpheme and board is free morpheme too. So that is about mini example that I give about three, toothbrush, buku tulis, and blackboard. There are a word with two free morphemes.